Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we'll do the part 3 of the same topic. We already done some questions. We can have a look at the previous video. So we'll start with question number 6. Write the numerical coefficient of the terms other than constant in the following algebraic expressions. So this is the algebraic expression given. So whenever we have, suppose now this is the example. So this is the variable and this is the coefficient of this x. So we can say this is the coefficient and this is the variable, and constant means that will just be a number. So this is called the constant without any variable. So now this is the algebraic expression given. So now there are 4 terms in it. So this is the bridge, we can say, plus is the bridge between these two numbers. We can be between this this is the bridge, this acts as a bridge. Now we'll take this is the first term. So I've just written here terms and the coefficient. So these are the terms what I've written over here. And the coefficient here, there is nothing, means there is always 1 here, because see here 1 into a, that is going to be a, because if we write here 2, that means it will be 1 into 2. So the coefficient is going to be 1. So be careful with this one. Here the coefficient is 2, 3, and here is 4. So now here there are 2 terms. So I have taken the table, means I have drawn the table here. So now here this is a constant, so we don't have to think about it. So constant doesn't have any coefficient. So here this is a variable 4m square. So the coefficient is here 4. Now here there are 3 terms. So what we can see here, I have written this 3 separately over here, the terms and the coefficient. So for this one is 0.1. For this one is minus, you have to take along with the sign, minus 0.4, and this is 0.5. Here we do usually, because there is everywhere, wherever there is no sign means there is plus sign. So usually we don't write plus sign, but wherever there is minus, so you have to be careful that we have to write along with the sign. Now here it's just 22/7. Now see here, this is important one. So here we have to expand it for 2l plus 2b. And then we have to see this is the other term. There are 2 terms in it. So for this one, the coefficient is 2. Again for this one, the coefficient is 2. 3 terms. So I have written over here this along with the sign. So the coefficient of this will be 1. This is going to be minus 1. And this again, this is going to be 1. Identify the terms which contain f with power 1 only and give the coefficient of f in the following. Means wherever this f, if it is written single f, means always the power is going to be 1, because a raised to 1 is always a. If you are writing here number 3, so that means that is 3 raised to 1. So 3 raised to 1 is always 3. So here now what will you see? This has the power 2. Here it has the power 1. So we are going to take this one. They said identify the term. So this is the term what you are going to take. And then we have to see the coefficient of it. So the coefficient of this 3f is going to be 3. Now here, can you say f over here? So we have to take whole together. And now what are you going to do? You are going to take the coefficient. So coefficient is when we write a minus fg. So we have to just ignore this f, but then whatever remains is minus 8 and as well as the g. So many of them don't write the g. So this is the way to write. Now here there are 3 from this one. Where is f here? Here. So what are you going to do here? The coefficient of this is going to be g square. Now we'll write this all together. Just ignore this one f. So what will be that? 16 gh is the coefficient of it. Now we have here, we have 2 here as well as here. So this is here and this is along with the sign, that is minus sign. So here there is nothing, means there should be 1. Coefficient is 1. Again here what we can do here, so this is going to be minus g. Classify the following as monomials, binomials, trinomials and quadrinomials. So mono means 1, bi means 2, Tri means 3 and quadri means this one. That is going to be, this will be 4. So now we'll see the terms. These are 2 terms here. So that is going to be binomial. Here we can see there are 1, 2, 3 and 4 terms. So that is going to be quadrinomials. And here is going to be 1 and 2 terms. That is going to be binomial. Here again 2. So binomial. Here what we can see here, this and this one. So why did I write a binomial? So now can you see here, this also is PQ square and this also is PQ square. So both are same. So this is one term when we minus 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2, 7, and then you will do PQ square and you solve this. So that is going to be whatever you're going to get the answer, that is going to be one term. So this one term and this together one term. So that is going to be a binomial. So now this is just one, so monomial. Here we have, see here, we have written trinomial. What is the reason now? Here you a cube b square. Here also is a cube b square. So this is going to be considered as 1. Then this is second and this is the third term. So that is 3 terms means trinomial. Classify the following as like or unlike terms. Like means both are going to be the same. If the variable, if I write here 2x and here 8x. So both the variables are same. So they are the like terms. Or if I'm writing a constant without a variable, if I'm writing here 2 and here 4. So that means this is a like term. So now what you can see in this one, y and z both are different. So they are unlike terms. There's going to be like terms. Here both x and y. So they are going to be unlike terms. Now this is both are m square. So they are going to be like terms. So here you don't have to see the number, you have to just see the variable. If it is both the same, that is going to be like. So now here, this is x square y square and this is y square x square. Means this is actually, if you write it 2 into multiply, that is going to be 6. 3 into 2, that is also going to be 6. So this is actually multiplication in between. So this is x square y square and this is y square x square. So these are the like terms. So be careful with this type of questions here. And then now see again here PQ and this is QP. So again this is the both are the same. So they are the like terms. Now these both are different. So they are unlike terms. Now look at here. M square P square and here also is M square P square. So they are the like terms. Again here what you can see here, xy cube and this is y cube x means that will be xy cube only. So that they are the like terms. Here again here AB square and this is B square A. So if you, this is going to be, if you rearrange, it is going to be AB square only. So they are the like terms. So by this one we have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel so you get the notification of the other parts. Thank you.